Will it fly or will it crash? I would like to see it becoming really a common cryptocurrency, but as a science-oriented person, not a believer of a fundamentalist kind of followers, I, as many others, ask myself, is it possible? At least as it is organized now. You should be conscious that every month there is 1 million more users. So, using simple scientific method, let's see what chances are that we'll arrive at phase 3, or mainnet, or fully operational cryptocurrency. You heard that Pi network now runs verification, but only of 100,000 and in few months. This 100,000 batch consists 1.25% out of 8 million accounts as of September. Only. In few days, we'll read announcement of the Pi network that there are 9 millions. That will make those in verification process 1.12% of all. At 10 million users, will drop to only 1%. Are you still so much optimistic? So when the verification will end, the sine qua non or essential requirement for the phase 3? The KYC lacks, and there are fictitious problems that bar some to pass the verification even though they have passed verification with IoT. But for unknown reasons and really very stupid decisions of the Pi network, which request from them passports, they failed. This way it will never end. So, dear core team, dear managers or owners of this project, Nicholas, Cheng Diao, Vincent, all facts scream you have to move on and change your attitude if you want to make it fly, not crash. Rethink your decisions, concentrate on what is not going on, not on stupid, useless changes to the application you make. Speed up the verification, as without it, it all loses any sense. Allow transfers to those who passed KYC. That would make it all more practical. And in the end, for this reason is all this KYC verification. If you do not proceed with building the system, creating viable transfers, and then including blockchain, you will simply kill this project. Crash, not fly. What will happen at 10 million users? See another video you can select in a YouTube version, or if you watch it elsewhere, go to the playlist on YouTube at this address, j.mp/cryptocurrencypi, pi in capital letters, and search for this video 8 million users.